But I'll be on it always, always and
Hey guys, it's your girl Jay Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Y'all know when we sit in this area, when we sit in front of this mirror, that means it's either we finna get hair done, do some makeup, whatever. I just see by today's title, your girl's going blonde. Like, I decided to take out my wig, not my wig, I don't have a wig on my head. I'm talking take out my extensions and put on a wig on today with y'all. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So I'm about to cut my extensions off, and like sometimes when it comes to like sew-ins, it's low-key kind of, you have to be really careful because you don't want to accidentally like cut your hair. But my trick is I try to pull the extension away from my hair and cut the extension.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag in a Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Cars and down, I love them all to me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, but I'll give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, 'cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. They ain't really love you. Running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again.
Alright y'all, so I got like half of my head done, like half of my head done. I'm literally just cutting the strings and just pulling. Like that's literally all I've been doing is finding the string. Oh, this one's almost done. Finding the strings and just pulling the hair, literally. I remember the first time I cut a sewing out, y'all, I done cut a whole braid. My mother was so mad. She was like, why didn't you wait for me? If y'all don't know, like back in the day, I used to be a very impatient person. Before I started working with kids, I was very impatient. Like I wanted things on Jada's time, and if it wasn't on Jada's time, like Jada was just gonna do it herself. So I wanted that sewing out my head, cut a whole braid. And it'd be so ugly because like it literally be your hair cut in half, so it's like it just looks mad weird. It just looks so weird.
You got it. Hey. You got it, girl. You got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.
just gotta get this frontal out. Get this frontal out and it's out. Just like that. Just like, oof, that. All these strings, so much string. All right, y'all. I am about to go get the grease and grease my hair because you know when your hair is under like extensions, your hair gets itchy and my head is itching this whole time. And then we're gonna get the installing. So I'll see you on the. All right, guys. I am putting argan oil day and night hair scalp conditioner in my hair, so my hair is not dry under here. Cause when I tell you my hair, my mom forgot to grease my hair when she did my sew-in, so like my head was so itchy. But this, y'all, is some good stuff. And just massage the hair back. And she's all in there. Okay, boom. Then take some of my Eco Style gel and push this hair back. I'm debating if I'm gonna do a bald head method or if I'm just gonna put the wig on and then just glue the wig. I don't know yet. But boy on. Ooh. But right now, let's open up this wig, y'all. I'm excited. So y'all, my favorite wig to work with, gotta remember, is ADAJ's Melted Hairline. Like, it's my favorite wig. So this is ADAJ's Perfect Hairline, full hair tie, 613 by 6 lace twist, 613, I already know 613, blondie, and this is the style Kataya. So it's like this straight kind of like hair. Y'all, I have not did blonde hair in so long, so I'm actually fucking excited. This is what she's giving Barb. Oh my gosh. Ah! Y'all, I haven't did color hair in a long time. I haven't did, my last color hair was like February. So I'm excited. So it comes with the natural looking scalp. So like you don't have to color her because she comes with a natural color scalp. She comes with 3 clips, 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and the strappy. So let me just put this on my head. Cause what? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna eat. We are going to eat, okay? We are going to eat. Like, we're going to yum yum. Okay? I love how soft she is. Like, I love being blonde. Like, I love being a blonde girl. Okay, it's definitely giving Barbie. That's the thing. I'm like, do I want to style it? Because, like, at the top, it gives, like, you enough space to do, like, a cute little style. Or, like, do I want the middle part there? I don't know yet, but the way I put this on my head, y'all know my hairline's low, so, but I'm already like low-key loving the hair already. It's so soft. ADAJ always does it for your girl. Okay? Alright, so this is where I want the hairline to kind of start back up here. So the glue that I'm always using is the Hobo Liquid Gold. I'm always using this glue. It's like my go-to glue, low-key. And I got time today, okay? So I don't gotta rush. None of that. So I'm putting a lot on here. Yo, so I made like macaroni earlier this week, and I have this place called Shake and Grab. I love their sauce, and I put it on the macaroni. Ooh, it's so good. So bomb. It's good. Okay, y'all. Is it getting bald? I'm about to do what I do. I use my Savage Fenty. Let me put it in here. Just the color. Pat, pat, pat. Just the color of the front a little bit. Let me cut this. I want this to be, I like to make sure like it's all the way secure. It's John in my head. Woo, okay. Let's put her on. Hey.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and a Birkin. No 9 to 5, put your work in. Cause and now I love them all, to me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, but I'll give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that I'm real, stepping in. You gon' let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, but I'll give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna.
Alright, y'all. So I'm probably gonna keep this on my head for like 10 to 20 minutes to make sure like the glue really activates and does its thing. Then I'll come back on here with you guys and get the cutting. So I'll see you on the view. Alright, y'all. I'm about to take this off and I'm about to cut this. Finally.
Little does she know I'm looking straight at her.
y'all. I cut the legs. Is it giving scalp? I gotta add glue to like the sides one more time. But other than that, I'll probably do some baby hairs on the side. So we're gonna do that right now. I'm debating as this is cooking up. Do I want to do like a middle part or what? Or is she giving more like side? I just love how fluffy it is. Like it's just like Barbie. Or should I do my style I was gonna do? So like I was gonna do like a part right here and have it go down like that. Or should I just do a middle part? I don't know. The butt. Is it giving middle barb? Or is it giving or is it giving like side barb? Kind of like side barb. Side barb cute. I've been really liking like the no like middle part vibe. Y'all, blonde is just a vibe for me. Like I love being a blonde. Okay. Alright, now we gonna do some baby hairs. And y'all already know, like I'm gonna have to do some TikToks, like all that. Cause you know when you get your hair done, like you just feel mad cute. Like you just feel so cute. Okay, so this is my first time actually wearing color hair to my job. I have never wore color hair to my job, so I'm excited and kind of nervous how everybody's gonna take it, cause I do got a bold color.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not in silent. Flew the coupe at 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you knowing being modest. Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag in a Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Cause and all I love them all to me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, but I'll give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing, they ain't really love you. Running game using all your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real is stepping in. You gon' let them try you, that's your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, but I'll give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna.
Alright guys, my camera's about to die, but this is how the hair is looking. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The hair will be linked down in the description below. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.